Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons, and OMG, y'all, go ahead and put on your running shoes because we have an absolute amazing run gain glitch going on right now at Dollar General. Now, I apologize for the quality of this voiceover, but I'm literally sitting right outside of Dollar General trying to get this information out to y'all ASAP. So, I'm going to tell you all about this deal, but before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. Also, please hit the thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, so I have another gain update for you all and a run deal. This is an absolute run deal. You want to get to your stores before everything is off of the shelves. And yeah, it's crazy. I have done 4 transactions so far today and this is working out flawlessly. And I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to our crazy couponer Latasha. Thank you, girl, so much for thinking of us this morning and for sharing this deal with the crazy couponing family. You are amazing. You are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. So if y'all missed it, I did upload a video earlier today. I think it was like 5 a.m. when I posted it, going over some new gain scenarios with some updated prices. So if you missed that video, definitely go back and check it out. There are 2 all digital deals in that video and 1 with paper coupons. So go check it out. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So here is a quick deal. And I think this is pretty much the exact deal, one of the exact deals that I included in that video, minus the AZO tablets because my store is out of stock right now of those. So what you want to do is pick up one of the Gain Flings for $15.95. This is the 60 count. Now be careful because I did notice that some of the Gain Flings 60 count scents are not working. I think specifically the Spring Daydream did not work with that 3-off-1 coupon. So again, scan, and if you're not sure if you scanned it once, scan it again. All right, then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps at $2.35 each. So 2 of them is going to put you at $4.70. Pick up one of the Gain products at $7.50. You can choose from the Flings, the Fireworks, the fabric softener, or the sheets at $7.50. Then go over and pick up one of the Swiffer Gain scented products. I picked up the Swiffer Duster Kits because I love those. But make sure that you scan them to make sure that all of the coupons that you're trying to use do attach to these products. Because those Gain coupons do not work with all Gain products and they don't work with all Gain scented products. So scan. Alright. So I have a little bit of a mess in my car here. I still have Scott paper towels and bath tissue in my entire back seat. So bear with me here. So I do not remember what the subtotal before coupons was, but I will pop it up here on the screen for you all. That's what your subtotal should be before coupons. Now what you want to do is go through self-checkout if you have one at your store, ring up all of your items, and then scan a paper 5-off $25 coupon. Okay, scan it. Then type in your phone number for all of your digitals to apply and click Pay Now. So again, ring up all of your items, scan a paper 5-off $25 coupon, type in your phone number, and then click Pay Now, and all of your coupons will come off. Now let's take a look at my receipt here. So there are all of my items. The Flings for $15.95, the 2 Gain dish soaps for $2.35 each, the Swiffer Duster for $5, and the Gain Flings for $7.50. I have the Fireworks up here, but the Flings, they're in my back seat somewhere. So, but y'all know those are $7.50, and they will work with this deal. Or you can pick up the Flings. So, as y'all can see, all of my digitals right there came off no problem. And then right here we have 3 $5 discounts. So that paper 5-off 25 came off. The 5-off $25 digital came off. And the 5-off 30 digital came off. So $15 right off the top plus all of your other digital coupons. That is going to leave you paying, well, I guess this is with tax. So I paid $1.68 in tax. $12.83 and that's with tax, all right? Out of pocket, but hold on, the deal gets even better. Because this little baby right here printed off, I got my 501, even though I didn't spend $15 out of pocket. Can y'all believe that? So again, self-checkout only. Self-checkout only. Ring up all of your Gain products. Scan your 5 off $25 paper coupon. Y'all should have some of these if you've been doing those 3 off 15 deals all week. Okay, scan your 5 off 25. Then type in your phone number and click pay now. All right, if you do this exact deal that I just did, you're gonna pay around $12. So mine was $12.83, and then the 501 will still print off for you. So overall final price for all of these products was what, $7? What is it, $7.83 for all of these items? And this is basically, I know at least it's $35 before any coupons, any promotions, any of that stuff. So alright guys, get on your running shoes, go out to DG and do this deal. Keep in mind it is self-checkout only. And guys, I do apologize. I know there's a lot of you out there who do not have self-checkout, but just hang in there. You will get one in your area soon. Alright, I'm going to pop up the breakdown and I will see you all on the next one. Alright guys, so here is the written out breakdown of the deal that I just showed you all in this video. Again, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $15.95, one Gain laundry product priced at $7.50, two of the Gain dish soaps at $4.70, and one of the Gain Swiffer products at $5. That's going to bring your subtotal to $33.15. Now, here are the coupons that you're going to use. You're going to scan that paper 5 off $25 coupon first. Then you're going to type in your phone number for all of your digital coupons to come off. There is your list of all of the digital coupons that you're going to need for this deal. And then you're going to click Pay Now. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $11.15 plus tax, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, which is going to make your final price just $6.15 for all 5 items, making each one just $1.23 each. So how amazing is that? Now, I do want to go ahead and remind you all that you do not have to do this exact scenario in order for this glitch to work. You guys can do any of the scenarios that I posted this morning in that video, or any of the scenarios that I posted in Thursday's video. All you have to do to get in on this glitch is to go to self-checkout and scan the paper 5 off $25 coupon first, then type in your phone number for your digital coupons, and then click Pay Now. Alright, so there is the glitch. I hope you guys can get in on it, and if you do, please come back and let me know how it worked out. Now, I also want to go ahead and remind you all that today is the last day that y'all can get in on this P&G spin deal, where you can get that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Now, the $5 coupons that you're going to get, those don't expire until next Saturday, but today is the last day that those $5 coupons will be printing on the bottom of your receipt. So make sure that y'all go out and get in on some of these deals while you can. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I won't hold y'all up any longer. Again, I apologize for the crappy audio, but y'all know I got to get this information out to y'all ASAP so that y'all can get out and get this deal. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. This is a run deal. So turn on those notifications. Please hit that thumbs up button for me, because it's a free way that you can help support the channel, and it really does help me out. So hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck everybody. I hope y'all can get out and score this deal, and I will see you all on the next one.